Hi everyone, I'm Laura Lee with Equipment East, and today we're in Dracut, Massachusetts at the Equipment East headquarters, where they have all of your heavy equipment needs, light compact equipment, tools, sales, parts, and service. Come on in. This is where you would come for your parts and rental service. From basic landscaping tools, we have saws, shovels, and anything that you need. Need compaction? We've got you covered as well. Equipment East has a massive inventory of parts because who has time to wait? Need hydraulic hoses? We've got you covered there too. Equipment East has 9 service bays and talented technicians to keep your equipment up and running. Equipment East has a diverse inventory for all of your equipment needs. We don't just do heavy equipment, we do compact equipment too.